You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Welcome back to Rome Tech. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Klover, a handy credit score tool designed to simplify credit monitoring. For more information and links to Klover, be sure to check out the description below. Klover stands out by offering a user-friendly approach to understanding your credit. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stay informed about their credit health without getting bogged down by the complexities of traditional credit reporting platforms. Klover aims to make credit tracking accessible and straightforward for everyone, regardless of their financial background. This tool provides free and regular access to your credit score, pulling data directly from TransUnion, a major credit bureau. This ensures you're receiving accurate and up-to-date information on any changes to your score. Klover's intuitive interface presents this data clearly, without overwhelming you with unnecessary features or confusing jargon. One of Klover's defining features is its focus on providing actionable advice. Not only can you view your current credit score and track its progress over time, but you'll also receive personalized tips and recommendations tailored to help improve your credit standing. This makes it an ideal choice for those seeking a quick and easy overview of their credit, without needing to delve into the more advanced features offered by some other tools. Beyond credit monitoring, Klover also offers the unique benefit of applying for cash advances directly through the app. This feature leverages your credit score and transaction history within Klover, providing a convenient option for accessing funds when needed. It adds a layer of financial flexibility that sets Klover apart from other credit monitoring tools. Whether you're new to building credit, working to rebuild your credit history, or simply want to maintain a healthy score, Klover is designed to meet your needs. It's particularly valuable for individuals seeking a free and uncomplicated way to keep tabs on their credit. In conclusion, Klover provides an excellent solution for anyone seeking a clear and accessible way to monitor their credit and gain access to convenient financial tools. Its user-friendly design, combined with valuable features like personalized tips and cash advance options, makes it a strong contender in the credit score tool market. Click the links in the description below to learn more and start managing your credit with Klover today.